This isn't just a small win for us. This is our Super Bowl. You know, my sister's dream of marrying Jack Orchard is coming true.
Oof. Dear Jack, today will be our first day as husband and wife. We'll share stories with our kids and grandkids about the tropical storm. But best of all, we'll tell them about the incredible love we share and how magical this day will be.
Dear Lauren, I've told you many times before, I believe things in life happen for a reason. Our past may be filled with the pain of loss, but our future together has become filled with hope and happiness. Our stars that came crashing down are now forever strung up together, high in the sky, and I will never let them dim. I love you now and forever, Jack.
Lauren, you have taught me so much, what it truly means to love another. Vow to be your husband and your best friend. Only when I am with you do I feel complete. I'm so proud of the woman you've become, and I am truly thankful to have you in my life. Belle, I vow to love you and support you as long as I live.
Jack, you and I know the depths of the vows, for better or for worse. Today, I vow to love you fiercely and unconditionally through every better and worse that this life brings. I promise to remember that this kind of love comes once in a lifetime, and to never take it for granted. To know you, Jack, is to love you, and I vow to love you today and every day as your wife. You are written in the stars.
I pronounce that the two of you now, finally, are husband and wife.
life is going to be just like you on that altar. It's going to rain. And sometimes it's going to be light. Other times it's going to be heavy. Other times you're going to think it's never going to go away, like you probably were thinking. But when that comes, just like tonight, your Father came out with the sun.
I cannot wait to start the rest of our lives together. I love you today and every day. I promise, promise.